Ever made a smart choice and still failed? Or made a dumb move and somehow got lucky? That's not luck, that's life. And here's the thing. You've been taught to judge decisions by their results. Win equals good choice. Loss equals bad choice. Right? Wrong. That mindset is silently ruining your life. Because every choice you make, what to eat, who to trust, where to invest, is a bet. The question is, are you betting smart or just gambling? We make decisions every single day about work, relationships, money, and health. And every decision is a bet. Former poker champion Annie Duke says we can improve our decisions by thinking like poker players. In poker, you make the best possible choice with incomplete information. You never have all the facts, but you still have to act. And here's the truth. A good decision can have a bad outcome. A bad decision can have a good outcome. The trick is to separate decision quality from outcome quality.
Life isn't chess, it's poker. Here's why. Chess is perfect information. Poker is messy, unpredictable, and full of uncertainty. Just like life. The question is, are you playing the right game? In chess, all the information is visible. You can see every piece on the board. If you lose, it's because you made a mistake. In poker, you make decisions with incomplete information. You don't see your opponent's cards. You can make the right choice and still lose because luck interfered. Life is poker. We rarely have all the facts. We make the best guess we can and live with uncertainty.
Do you know the dangerous habit that's ruining your decisions? We tend to judge decisions based on the result, a habit Annie Duke calls resulting. Example, you run a red light and make it through safely. Was it a good decision? No. You just got lucky. In poker and in life, you can make a terrible decision and still win, or make a great decision and lose. The quality of your thinking matters more than the result. Here is why every choice is a gamble and how to play smart. Thinking in bets means asking, what are the odds this choice will lead to the outcome I want? It's not about certainty. It's about probability. Example, if you're 80% sure something will happen, you should act differently than if you're only 51% sure. The higher your confidence, the more willing you can be to commit resources.
Remember the 3 magic words that make you smarter. The most powerful phrase in decision-making is, I'm not sure. It opens the door to better thinking. If you admit uncertainty, you're more likely to seek more information and less likely to become overconfident. Poker players survive by constantly questioning their assumptions. Don't let luck fool you. Did you win because you played smart or just got lucky? Knowing the difference changes everything. Learning from experience is essential, but you can't just look at the results. You have to ask, did I win because I made the right decision? Or did I win because I got lucky? Great decision makers focus on the process, not just the outcome.
The mindset that separates winners from losers. You'll almost never have 100% certainty. So stop waiting for it, start thinking in odds. Most people want 100% certainty before acting, but certainty is rare. Better to think in probabilities. I'm 70% sure this is the right move. I'm 30% sure it might fail. By thinking this way, you can plan for multiple scenarios. The secret weapon of smart decision makers. Poker players have hand history groups where they review decisions with other pros. Who's reviewing your decisions? In life, you can build your own decision group. Trusted friends or colleagues who will question your thinking honestly. They help you see blind spots and avoid repeating mistakes.
Why short-term thinking is killing your progress. Short-term results can be misleading. You can have a bad month in poker but still be a winning player over a year. Life is the same. Think beyond today. Don't overreact to temporary wins or losses. A trick to make smarter decisions instantly. One trick Annie Duke recommends is mental time travel. Ask yourself, in a year, will I be glad I made this decision? This helps you step back from short-term emotions and see the bigger picture.
One of the best things about thinking in bets is that it's not just for poker players, CEOs, or professional decision makers. It's for everyone, because every choice you make is a bet on your future. Let's look at how this applies to everyday life. Career decisions. We often choose jobs for short-term gain, higher pay, a bigger title, or the comfort of a familiar role. But if you're thinking in bets, you ask, what are the odds this job will help me grow in the next 5 years? Will this position teach me skills I can use anywhere? Example, two friends graduate from college. Priya takes a high-paying job in a declining industry. Within 3 years, automation wipes out half the roles, including hers. Arjun chooses a lower-paying role at a tech startup, knowing there's risk, but also potential to learn new skills. Within 3 years, his value in the job market doubles. Arjun thought in bets. He played for long-term odds instead of short-term comfort. Relationships. It's easy to judge someone based on one experience. Example, you go on a date with someone who's late and distracted. If you're result-oriented, you might never call them again. But if you knew they had a genuine family emergency, your opinion might change. Relationships are long-term bets. Judge the pattern, not the snapshot. Health and fitness. We're often tempted by quick fixes, crash diets, intense short programs. But the odds of those working long-term are low. Example, low odds bet, a crash diet that works for 2 weeks but rebounds quickly. High odds bet, balanced eating, regular exercise, and good sleep. Slower results, but lasting odds of success. Money and investments. The worst move is going all in without good odds. Thinking in bets means diversifying and making decisions with probability on your side. Example, low odds bet, all your savings in one hot stock tip. High odds bet, a diversified mix of index funds, stable stocks, and a safety fund. Learning and skills. Easy skills may be fun, but they offer low future payoff. Thinking in bets means choosing high-value skills. Example, learning data analysis or public speaking may be harder, but the long-term payoff is much greater than learning only trending social media tricks. Everyday micro-decisions. Small choices also affect your odds. Example, reading 20 minutes instead of scrolling social media. Small bet, high long-term reward. Sleeping earlier, small bet, better odds of energy and focus tomorrow. Key lesson. Every choice is a bet. The question is, are you playing for the next hand or for the whole game? Thinking in bets means focusing less on being right once and more on making high-odds decisions over and over again. The math of long-term success. The more good bets you make, the more the odds stack in your favor over time. Even if luck hits you in the short run, your process wins in the long run. If we try to conclude our learnings from this video, it's all about becoming a better decision maker. You can't control outcomes. You can control the quality of your decisions. Every decision is a bet. Think in probabilities, review your process, learn from mistakes, and keep improving. Do this consistently, and you'll be playing life's poker game with the best possible hand. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to share and subscribe. We will keep coming back with more versatile content. Thank you.